Hey guys, it's Ronnie here, and I'm in today with a great lesson on cooking. Do you like cooking or eating? Anyway, it doesn't matter. What we're here to do today is teach you some proverbs about cooking. And you may ask yourself, what's a proverb? And Ronnie, why are you teaching us proverbs? They're like idioms, and you said that idioms are kind of useless to learn. Oh, I did say that, but proverbs are different from idioms. Why? Idioms are usually one or two words or three words, and they have a meaning. When you look at it, you're like, huh? It doesn't make sense. It's not a literal meaning. Proverbs, on the other hand, can be a full sentence, and they actually have like a moral story or some kind of teaching behind them. As I am a teacher, I'm here to teach you. Other cool things about learning proverbs is probably you have the exact same proverb in your language. Oh, let's do that test later. You can do it yourself. Are they the same? And also, you practice your vocabulary and, of course, the killer in English, your pronunciation. So let's start with the first one. I know that this is a very popular proverb around the world. I know it's in Russian. I know it's in Persian. So is it in your language too? Let's check this first one out. It says, too many cooks spoil the broth. That's hard to say, isn't it? Broth. What is broth? I'm glad you asked. Broth is basically soup, water, the soup water. It's the water of the soup. There's nothing else in it. It's just the soup water. It's usually made from bones, not of humans. Oh man, animal bones. And it doesn't have anything else in it. It's good for a cold. You can just drink your bone broth. It's really popular today too. So broth is the liquid of the soup. Too many cooks spoil the broth. What does that mean? Okay, cooks. This means that if you have too many people trying to do one thing, making soup, no, spoiled means it's going to go bad. So if you have too many people trying to do one task, it's not going to work out because someone's going to be the leader and someone's going to cry. It's just a bad scene. So what this proverb means is everyone should get a delegated task. You do this, you do this, you do this, work as a team. You get the job done. You following here? Has nothing to do with soup, really. Next one. My grandmother used to say this to me. A watched pot never boils. This is actually true, okay? Because I'm like, come on. A watched pot never boils means if you are waiting for something for a long time, it seems like it's going to take longer. If you distract yourself and do something different, for example, you're waiting for your friend to show up at your house and you're like, come on. Oh, they're late again. Don't focus on waiting. Do something else. Go cook some soup. By the time the soup's ready, your friend will be there. You can give them shit for being late. So, a watched pot never boils. See the pronunciation of this one? It's actually, it looks like watched. But with the ED here, we're going to sound like watched. So a watched pot never boils. Man, this is so true. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. Pretty self-explanatory. The kitchen's hot. You're like, I can't do it. So you leave. In the way that we use this means if something's too hard for you or there's too much pressure, forget it. Just go. Learning English is hard. It's a lot of pressure. So if you're having, oh my God, I can't do this. Take a break, go for a run, go for a cycle. Come back to it. Don't put yourself out for unnecessary things. So if you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. If something's too hard or stressful, take a break. Next one. I like this one. The cool thing about these proverbs too is we shorten them kind of in slang. So we say it's like the pot calling the kettle black. So there's a pot and the kettle, they're both black, okay? Because of all the fire. It's basically saying that you are being a hypocrite. And hypocrite means I say something like, you shouldn't smoke. And the next time you see me smoking, it's like, what? So being a hypocrite is telling someone something they should or shouldn't do, and then you doing the exact same thing. So I would shorten this to pot, kettle, black. Kind of in a fun way. It's not on file, but whatever. This one's fun. Spill the beans. There are quite a few beans in this. I had to look this up because I was so curious. So to spill the beans means you blurt out or you tell information. Oops. Kind of like a secret. Classified information. So to spill the beans actually comes from a Greek, apparently, according to the wild world web over there. It means that in Greek times, people voted by colored beans. So for example, if you want to vote for this guy, you got a yellow bean, this guy's a black bean, this guy's a pink bean. And they would put all the beans into a container. It's a Greek container, it's a vase, very beautiful. And if someone were to spoil the votes, they would knock over the container and the votes, they would be spoiled. It means rotten. So to spill the beans means to give information that you shouldn't tell. You shouldn't say it, okay? And then this one's weird too. He or she is full of beans. Did they just eat some beans? No, it means they have a lot of energy. So people say, Ronnie, you're always full of beans. And I'm like, no, I actually had some blueberries earlier. But it means you're hyper and have a lot of energy. Beans. Bring home the bacon. A lot of food references because it's cooking. If someone brings home the bacon, it means that they are the person who earns the money in the house. So literally they can go and buy some bacon or whatever. They can buy bread, they can buy beans. But bring home the bacon means you work and you get money and then you get the food. This is kind of the same one. She's or he's, whatever, the breadwinner of the family. These have the same meanings. If someone's the breadwinner of the family, it means they're the ones that make the money. Oh, and you know what's really cool? We call money dough. Oh, that's crazy. So, Proverbs. They're fun. How many of these do you have in your language? Check it out. I have one more thing to leave you with. Do you know the word stressed? Oh, you're so stressed out. Stressed, pronunciation of T again. Stress is just desserts spelled backwards. So you're like, damn, I'm desserts today. I should have an apple pie. For more fun lessons, check out engvid.com and we'll see you soon. I think I'm getting hungry now. Time for some jubes.